Chicken. Cover it and bladder up so it doesn't get raw chicken bits stuck all through it.
Because then you get sick.
That is correct. Get this cap off. Probably not a bad idea to put a bit on top of the chicken as well. These first couple bits. Buttermilk, because I am going to let these chicken suckers soak in buttermilk until I cook them. At least an hour, but can be up to 24, so this will be a few hours. I'm ready. I'm ready. Now I'm going to bash these suckers and try and just tenderize them a little bit, and hopefully they get a little bit flatter. And if I need to, I have an actual hammer. Seems to be working. Let's try the big one. Alright. He'll be right. Plonk him in, buttermilk. Oh, it's gonna be a decent sized schnitzel.
Hell yeah.
Plonk him in. And we'll get next one's ready to go. Salmonella papers. That one, I think that one's going to be the winner for size.
Definitely.
Hopefully it's...
Does it even fit in there properly?
Yeah, I'm just going to make sure they're all covered so that they soak up some of this buttermilk goodness. Alright, and that's done. Breadcrumbs. I'm going to mix breadcrumbs, flour, a bunch of different spices, and this is going to be what coats our crumbs. I'm not using any measurements, because I cannot be bothered. And we'll just see how it goes. Will this be enough? I think it will. Cover our full.
Well, because they're pretty big.
Yeah, they are. So we can always add more breadcrumbs and flour if we need to. That is garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Tomato. Look at that. Smoked paprika.
Smells amazing.
I'm chucking a little bit of basil because I think that'll be nice.
Smells fresh.
This is onion powder.
Ooh, onion powder.
Opened it yet, so get into that. Onion powder. I think you might be right. A little bit more flour.
Oh, smells amazing.
More breadcrumbs. Nice crumbed schnitzel. I'm getting salt. Obviously, we're going to salt it later anyway. Some pepper. If I had cayenne peppers, I would be adding cayenne peppers. I just don't have it. Ooh. Smell it?
Ooh, that's pretty good.
And that's just the crumb.
Mm.
It's gonna be tasty.
It'll be super duper tasty.
You getting this?
Yeah.
Let's bread this up. It's a big ass schnitzel.
Are you gonna censor that with Yoda, Lego Yoda dying noise? You really should.
Make sure it's all covered. See? All covered. And this is a big mother clucker. Make sure we get it all off your ass.
I am.
Over here.
Oh, that's a lot of butter and fat. It's like a pool.
So don't get too close. Spits.
Pro tip.
Spits.
Pro tip.
Pro tip, don't get too close. Oil. Oil spits when you cook stuff. Look at my stove. Covered in shit.
You should really be censoring me with the Yoda death noise. That's so fun.
I reckon I can get the second one there.
I'd love to be a little one.
Yeah, I can put that in. Over here. Make sure there's bread all over. Well, bread, flour, whatever you're using. This is a bread, flour combo with a bunch of spices. Just make sure it's completely covered. Get all the crevices.
The orifices.
Just put it on top. Give it a rub. Pat it. Touch a little bit. Touch a little bit more. Give it a bit of shake off so you've got no excess. I reckon we can get that in here. It's gonna fit. Yes. That's hot oil. Oh, my fingers. It's starting to look pretty golden.
Oh, perfect.
Golden. So this one will need an extra probably a minute because that's thinner. That one's very quick.
Extra thick.
The cheese more melted, but we're getting too late.
Juicy.
Yeah. big boy.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah,
Can I please has big boy?
it has to.
Yes, thanks.
Slide around. And that's my leftover. That's my going in my sandwich tomorrow.
You videotaping him? Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah, it's gross. How's the Parma?
420 out of 10.
I have no idea what that means.